How to increase/decrease value with reducer. I am working on a temperature control app with React Native. To get the value of the temperature I use Redux Toolkit. My problem is that my code for increasing/decreasing the initial value with the reducers doesn't work. I get the 20 as value but using handlers to dispatch in decrease temp doesn't do anything. What am I doing wrong? The reducers. Part 1. Part 2. The handlers. I suppose it is using imma, and you must mutate it. Instead of this, state equals state plus 1, do state.value plus plus. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.